Hello everyone, I'm Vikrant and I hope that you all guys are very well at your home. As we talked in the earlier class, everybody was so fine at home and I'm also great and I hope you are the same. Okay, and as we discussed another chapter in earlier video, now I have brought you another one for class 9 CBSE, and the book we are taking it from, that is Moments. Okay, we are having two books, Moments and Beehive. So the chapter we are taking it from Moments. Okay, and the chapter number is 10th. This is the last chapter from your book and this book is totally completed now. Okay, so the chapter's name is The Beggar. Okay, the chapter is actually very interesting. It has a nice meaning behind it and it gives you a nice vibe also, and you can learn something with it. So it's a nice one. After that, who wrote this chapter? That is Mr. Anton Chekhov. Anton Chekhov is the name of the writer and he was a Russian. Okay, he was a Russian writer. He was born on 29 Jan 1860 and he died on 15th July 1904. Got it? Next, we have characters from the chapter. They are Sergey. Okay, Sergey is the main character of this chapter who is teaching us a lesson. Okay, after that we have Lashkov. Lashkov is also second important character from the chapter and actually he is the one who is going to play each and every role from the chapter. Okay, after that we have Olga. Okay, so this Olga is also describing the lady because the lady was damn fat. She was just like, oh, okay, she was so fat, so you can just remember this. Her name was Olga and she was a cook. Just because she was a cook, might be she was eating a lot, so that's why she got a meatball. Okay, she became a meatball, so you can just remember it. And after that we have, these are some of the things that I've written on the board, but we are going to use them when I'll explain you the chapter. Okay, and after that we have here also rubles and kopecks. Rubles and kopecks in Russia, like in India we are having rupees and paisas. So just like that, it's the rupee and it's the paisa, means kopecks are the minimum and rubles are the bigger one. Okay, so you can remember it. After this, what happens in the chapter, I'm going to start it. In the beginning, when Sergey, Mr. Sergey, when he was going from a street towards his home, when he was moving towards his home, he just found out a beggar, the chapter's name, beggar. Okay, so he found out a beggar who was sitting on the street and he was asking for some money. And what happens, when he was passing from there, the beggar just stopped him and asked for some money and he said, sorry, but I'm not going to give you any money, as you are just asking for it, you are not working, you are just asking as a beggar, so I'm not going to give it. But at that time the beggar said, no sir, please give me some money, I'm in a very big trouble. I used to work, मैं पहले कहीं काम करता था लेकिन मुझे वहाँ से निकाल दिया है, so I just want this money, please for God's sake help me, भगवान के लिए मेरी सहायता कर दें. लेकिन वो मना कर देता है, sorry. And then at that time उसका ध्यान जाता है किसके ऊपर, उसके शूज़ के ऊपर. फाइन, जो सर्जी है उनका ध्यान जाता है उसके शूज़ के ऊपर, बिकॉज ही वॉज हैविंग लाइक ही वॉज हैविंग प्रॉब्लम इन वन लेग, सो हिज शू वर डिफरेंट साइजेस. ओके, सो he pays attention to that and he remembers the person he met earlier. कहाँ पे मिले थे वो उससे? Day before yesterday in Sadovaya Street. Okay, वो वहाँ पे सर्जी उस बंदे से पहले ही मिल चुके थे और उसने क्या बताया था, वो वहाँ पे भी पैसे ही मांग रहा था, भीख ही मांग रहा था, लेकिन उसने क्या कहा था, सर्जी मैं एक स्टूडेंट था और मुझे कॉलेज से बाहर निकाल दिया गया है और मेरी डिग्री भी पूरी नहीं हुई है और सर प्लीज़ आप मेरे को थोड़े से पैसे दे दें, थोड़ी सी हेल्प हो जाएगी, मैंने कुछ खाया पिया भी नहीं है. एंड ही वाज आस्किंग फॉर मनी. सो एट दैट टाइम सर्जी इवन गेव हिम सम मनी. सर्जी ने उसको थोड़े बहुत पैसे दे दिए. ओके फाइन, बट as he met him again after one day, after 1 or 2 days, so now he recognized him and he got to know that this man is a fraud. Okay, he got to know that this man is telling a lie. So वो उसको पकड़ लेता है and then he says that अब तो मैं पुलिस को बुलाऊंगा और अब तू पुलिस में जाएगा. And जो हमारा लश्कॉफ है वो बहुत ज़्यादा डर जाता है. And then he says, sir please don't do that. Even if you want, I can show you my papers. I was the teacher in a school in the village For 8 years I taught in a school as a teacher. I have my papers. If you want I can show them to you. वो बोलता है नहीं मुझे पता है तुम झूठ बोल रहे हो और तुम ऐसे ही अलग अलग रीज़न दे करके लोगों से भीख मांगते हो. वो कहता है नहीं सर ऐसी बात नहीं है प्लीज़. बोलता है नहीं मैं तो अभी पुलिस को बुलाता हूँ और अभी तू जेल जाएगा. बोलता है सर प्लीज़ डोंट डू दिस. एंड ही सेज नो आई विल डेफिनेटली गोना डू दिस. एंड ही सेज ओके वेट डोंट डू दिस आई एम गोना टेल यू द ट्रुथ. मैं आपको सच बताता हूँ कि मैं एक्चुअल में करता क्या था. सो ही सेज कि सर मैं पहले एक रशियन कोर में काम करता था. कोर इज़ अ वर्ड वी यूज़ फॉर अ म्यूजिकल ग्रुप. एक म्यूजिकल जो ग्रुप होता है तो कहता है कि मैं उसके अंदर काम करता था और उसकी क्या आदत थी वो उसको बताता है. सर एक्चुअली क्या है मैं बहुत ज़्यादा वाइन पीता था और मैं पी करके चलते शो में स्टेज पर ही सो जाता था. सो दैट्स वाई दे हैड टू थ्रो मी आउट ऑफ दैट कोर. फाइन वो उनको उसको बाहर निकालना पड़ा. एंड नाउ आई हैव नो जॉब एंड इफ़ आई टेल पीपल दैट आई एम अ ड्रंकर्ड कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा दारू पीता हूँ. आई एम अ sort we call a person who drinks a lot of alcohol. Fine, पियक्कड़ you can say. Okay, so that is the sort. तो वो बोलता है कि अगर सर मैं सबको सच बताऊंगा तो कोई मुझे पैसे क्यों देगा. आप ही बताओ अगर मैं आपको बताता तो आप देते क्या. बोलता नहीं. हाँ तो बस फिर इसलिए मैं झूठ बोल के पैसे ले रहा हूँ ले तो और तब लोग दे भी देते हैं. एंड ही सेज लेकिन ये तो बहुत गलत बात है. वॉट एवर यू आर डूइंग इज एक्चुअली रॉन्ग. यू आर नॉट सपोज टू डू दिस एंड पीपल आर ट्रस्टिंग यू बिकॉज ऑफ कंडीशन एंड यू आर जस्ट फूलिंग देम अराउंड एंड इट्स नॉट गुड. एंड सेज सर आई अंडरस्टैंड बट I need some money. It's my situation. I have got a job somewhere, but I have no enough. I don't have that enough money to go there and work. So if you help me, I'll definitely do that. And he says, और सर मैं काम भी क्या करूँ? मैं पैसे और कैसे कमा सकता हूँ? तो सर जी उससे बोलते हैं, you can work, you can have some work. And the place they were living in, it was very cool, you know, like. आईसी यू कैन से. ठीक है वहाँ पे स्नोफ्लेक्स भी गिरते हैं. सो दैट्स वाई ही सेड यू कैन चॉप द वुड्स. तुम लकड़ियाँ काट सकते हो क्योंकि वहाँ पे लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा लकड़ियों की ज़रूरत पड़ती है अपने घर को गर्म रखने के लिए फायर प्लेस के लिए. सो दैट्स वाई सेड यू कैन चॉप द वुड्स. एंड ही सेज सर ऐसे मौसम में अच्छे अच्छे कारपेंटर को तो काम मिल नहीं रहा है. आप कह रहे हो मुझे लकड़ी काटने के लिए काम कहाँ से मिलेगा. एंड ही सेज आई विल गिव यू द वर्क. विल यू वर्क. एंड ही सेज ओके फाइन मैं कर लूँगा काम. बोलता है चलो मेरे घर. सर जी उसको अपने घर ले जाते हैं. एंड देन ही सेज नाउ यू आर सपोज टू चॉप वुड्स फॉर मी एंड देन आई विल गिव यू 20 to 30 kopecks. Okay, I'll give you 20 to 30 kopecks or 50 kopecks according to your work. He says okay fine. Then Sir G calls his cook. वो cook को बुलाते हैं. Olga it's not she was not only the cook, she was working with all the works he had at his home. ठीक है जितने भी काम थे वो सारे काम करती थी उनके लिए. सो वो उसको बुलाता है एंड देन सेज कि ये जो आदमी है इसको ले जाओ पीछे जो बैक यार्ड है वहाँ पे एंड देन इसको ले जा करके लकड़ी काटने का काम दे दो. शी टुक हिम. शी वॉज फीलिंग सो एंग्री विद दैट गाय जस्ट बिकॉज ही वॉज अ ड्रंकर्ड. शी कुड स्मेल इट एंड शी थॉट माई गॉड आई डोंट नो from where my boss took this guy. So she was so angry, she took him outside and then she just gave him the axe just like this so that he could even get his leg cut. उसका पैर कट जाता. उसने जोर से फेंक के दिया उसको एक्स. ये ले लकड़ी काटना चालू कर दे. And then when he started cutting the woods, he was just trying to do this and he was not having enough strength to do that. And Mr. Sergi was looking him from his window that what kind of work he is going to do, but he was not able to even hold the axe properly. He was so shivering. And then Olga got to know that this man cannot do this at all. Okay, so after some time Olga and that guy came back. Olga said sir chopping is done, now you can pay this guy and let him leave. वो उसको कुछ पैसे देता है and then he leaves. वो उसको बोलता है कि अब तुम हर महीने की 1 तारीख को यहाँ पे आना हमारी लकड़ियाँ काटना है and then I'll give you some money. It happens अगले कुछ मंथ्स तक वो हर बार आता है. उसको वो उसके लिए वो कुछ ना कुछ काम निकाल के रखते हैं. ठीक है और एक बार जो सर जी हैं वो उसको अपनी ट्राउज़र पैंट्स भी देते हैं एज अ रिवॉर्ड. ठीक है पुरानी पैंट्स. एंड देन वो लेकर के चला जाता है. एंड देन फाइनली जब वो थोड़ा सा सोबर होने लगता है ही बिकम्स अ गुड पर्सन. ही लीव्स हिज अल्कोहल बिहाइंड. At that time, Sergi thinks that now this is the time I need to give this person a nice job rather than cutting the woods and dusting at my home and all of that. So he decides a job for him. वो उसको एक लेटर देता है. बोलता है कि ये लेटर है तुम वहाँ पे ऑफिस में जाना. वहाँ पे जाकर के मेरा एक फ्रेंड है उसको लेटर देना. He'll give you some work of typing. Do you know how to type? He says yeah, of course I know how to type. Then he says okay fine then go there and you will get a job. सो उसको अपने घर से फ्री कर देता है एंड देन ही गोज टू द ऑफिस, ही गेट्स द जॉब ऑफ टाइपराइटर एंड देन देयर ही इज गेटिंग पेड 35 rubles. ठीक है, वहाँ पे उसको कितने रबल्स मिल रहे हैं? 35 rubles फॉर दैट जॉब ही इज गेटिंग एवरी मंथ. एंड देन व्हाट हैपेंस आफ्टर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम आफ्टर दिस incident, Sergey finds Lushkov at a place where opera music used to play. ठीक है, an opera place. So opera is a kind of a music, okay, where a big fat lady just like Olga, she stands on the floor, or a man, and they shout like hell. There are no words, but people love it. I don't know, I never understood it what it is actually. Okay, so that is opera, you can say. And at the ticket counter, Lushkov was asking for the ticket, that please give me a ticket. And at the same time, Sergey arrived and he just saw Lushkov and he was looking very well. He was wearing on a fur coat. He was a well-dressed person, and Sergey saw and recognized him. And he said, Lushkov, my dear, you're looking so great. You are in a good shape and good dressed, well dressed. And he says, it's all because of you, sir. I'm so thankful to you. I'm so grateful to you. And then he just thanks him a lot for the work he did for Lushkov. Lushkov says all the things to Sergey, and then in the end he says, I am having the biggest gratitude for the lady who used to work at your home, the cook, Olga. Why? Because whenever Lushkov used to go to his home for the work, Olga had already understood that this person cannot work at all. उसको समझ में आ गया था कि ये पर्सन से अगर काम कराने लगी तो ये पक्का यही मर जाना है. So that's why I cannot give him any work. And Olga used to do all the work for him. Olga जो थी वो उसका Lushkov का सारा काम करती थी, लेकिन पैसे कौन लेकर के जाता था? Lushkov लेकर के जाता था. So that's why, and वो उसको हमेशा कोसती थी कि तुम तो पी पी के ही मरोगे. You are a very big drunkard and definitely you won't die soon if you will not stop drinking. So that's why Lushkov left drinking even. Okay, he got a good person, he became a good person, and then he was talking to Sergey that Olga is an amazing lady. She helped me a lot through all this situation, and thank you so much to her too. And that is how Sergey changed the life of Lushkov. Sergey ने Lushkov की life को change कर दिया. Fine. So this is how you guys also can help somebody from like all around you. You can find someone and you can just help. You might see some videos on FB or Instagram, you know, people are doing these kind of things. They just make people good. So this is the chapter we have, and after this chapter you guys can read it from your book and you can have the whole idea of this chapter. I hope you understood whatever I told you, and now I'm going to give you 3 questions or 4 questions maybe, so that you guys can write down the answers in your notebook, and definitely I'm going to ask it in the school. Okay, I'm going to ask you for these copies, so make sure you do not skip it and you write it, because when I see and it's not done, you're going to face the music definitely. So I'm going to give you some questions. So the first question we have is, what kind of a man Sergey was? Question number 1. What kind of a man? What kind of a man Sergey was? Okay, I have given you the detail about it, so you guys can write down the answer. After that we have another question, that is, where did Lushkov used to work? Where did Lushkov used to work? Okay, this is the second question. You guys are supposed to answer it. And after that we have the third one, that is, how much money Lushkov got paid from his job. Okay, how much money Lushkov got paid from his job, or you can say from his new job. Okay, so these are 3 questions you guys are supposed to answer on the basis of what I have told you right now. Okay, Write it down, and then I'll see you in the next chapter. Thank you so much. Enjoy this.